Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, April 14, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 3, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. During this period, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 77.56% since we first recommended buying Meta 71 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.09% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 43.63% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 36.43% and 61.18%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a -7.22% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -65.94% and -7.22%. This translates to a price range of $75.43 to $205.50 after a year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, "Evaluation of Meta stock downgraded after the last trading session." The Meta stock price gained 0.517% on the last trading day, Friday, April 14, 2023, rising from $220.35 to $221.49. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.1% from a day low at $217.55 to a day high of $222.11. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.57% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -2 million shares, and in total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $4.78 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $224.30, and the lowest price was $88.09. Currently, the price is 1.25%, or $2.81, below the 52-week high, and 42.37%, or $162.84, below the all-time high on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Analysts have given Meta stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $216 and $197.58. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 27, 2023, and so far it has risen 30.64%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal not applicable days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 67 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 63 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $204.93 and $188.77. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $204.93. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $188.77 and $186.53. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $4.56 between high and low, or 2.1%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.05%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2023 is expected on April 26, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.97. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $204.93. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Neusta Jennifer, who bought and sold 1,965 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -14.871. Overall, insiders purchased 143,242 shares and sold 193,433 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $214.67, minus 3.08%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 71, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 33 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, April 17th, we expect Meta to open down -$1.11 and start trading at $220.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.